In today's video, I will talk about Gatorswap. Okay, it is a new yield farming project inside Binance Smart Chain, and it is giving us high yield percentages. So, just a disclaimer before this video started, guys. I am not a financial advisor, so you should be responsible of the money that you are using. And this one is pretty risky because, of course, if the Gatorswap price goes down, then probably your money will go down as well. However, I'm going to show to you as well how to buy Gatorswap, how to stake in Gatorswap, and what are the types of things that you should look, and of course my technical analysis on this one. So the first one here is, of course, we actually want I'm actually want to show to you how you can buy Gatorswap. So just click the exchange right here button. So and then click it on the new tab, and then just continue on this one, and then just convert your BNB or any of your coins inside the PancakeSwap into Gator. Okay, so just convert it into Gator, and then after you've converted it, just you need to have at least 10% or 12% risk tolerance. So I'm going to try it so that you can see it. So for a moment, I think PancakeSwap is really congested right now. I'm trying to put something here. It should display a value right here. So just for a moment. Okay, as you can see here, I can get 80 Gator for this one. So just approve this one, approve the pet. Okay, you're approving the transaction, and then you will pay a network fee for around $0.16. Ah, right now it is 0.13. And then after you approve it, just click the swap button right here. So for the liquidity, just click this one. Okay, if you are planning to do a liquidity pool, so just match the dollar amount of Gator to your BUSD for you to create a liquidity pool of Gator.BUSD, or you can see it here in the Gatorswap. Okay, what types of liquidity that you can join. You can either join in Gator BUSD, Gator BNB, BNB BUSD, and other stuff as well. So even the PancakeSwap token cake is also here. That's giving us 401% APR per day, per year. So if you've successfully put your money, okay, you've already bought a Gator. What you just need to do here is, if you have a liquidity pool, just approve the contract right here. Of course, that will prompt you to to pay another transaction fee, and then just add the money here as well. Okay, so for the Gator pools, which you can only farm one coin only. Okay, just approve it here as well. So if you already have a Gator, just put it inside here. Okay, if you have BUSD, just put it inside here, because it is automatically connected into your wallet. Okay, so we will talk about if this one is pretty much worth it. Of course, as you can see here, it gives us 8,391% ROI. However, if you're going to look into the BSC chart, so I'm going to pull it for you guys. So the Poocoin price of Gatorswap is around 0.14, and it goes way down since 727. So that's a really massive dump right here. And if of course just manage your risk. In my technical analysis, of course it could probably rebound up to 1 because the spike is really big. And of course the total value locked inside the Gatorswap is still big as well. So as you can see here, they do have 15 million total value lock. And I think if you're going to look it um, into their announcements tab as well, they are also burning. Okay, they're also oh, as you can see here, they are delivering 40% reduction in inflation. In less than 24 hours, the emission will lower from 100 to 60 per block. So the only thing that you have risk here is, of course, this could probably go down even more because of the given price. It can probably continue to go down. And the good thing probably here is, of course, you can buy more Gator as well. And if you're taking a Holy Mary on this one, then probably if you get inside here and you're making a good gains per day, and you're just keeping your Gator and then just wait for the price goes up, then probably the money that you will have will double or triple or more than that. So just taking note that this is pretty much high risk because it is inside. It only has 1.4 market cap. Okay, so it is a new project. Okay, and of course we can still say that it could be a rug scenario. However, I think in what I've seen into the comment section right here, the reason why this one really goes down, it is because there's a lot of people who are just abusing the daily gains from this platform and then just pulling out inside. So probably they are not putting the money here. They just want to get those free money and then just pull everything. So that is it for this video, guys. There's no info for the audit, so just put your money wisely here. Okay, unlike the other swaps that has an IP that has an audit, it doesn't have an audit. So if you're going to look at PanterSwap, okay, it do has an audit. For the Garuda swap, I think it also has an audit. So it has an audit, but this one doesn't have an audit. So probably you might actually consider it as well. So there's no audit. Okay, this one is done. They do have an audit here, which is both tech rate. However, in this one, it is not shown here. Okay, it is only the bug chart, the more, and GitHub and blog. So that is it for this video, guys. I mean, if you can afford to lose money, of course, if $100 or $50 is nothing for you, probably you can always put your money inside this one and gain massive high yield percentages. But of course, take a note on this one. Each transfer of Gator must pay a 7% transfer tax. So probably in my thinking, if you have $100, then probably you can only stake around $93 here because of this one. And of course, this transfer tax, of course, this one is being paid for those liquidity pool, for those people that put their money inside the liquidity pool. So that is it for this video, guys. I've made another video for this because I don't want to mislead you guys. Just be careful on putting your money in any yield farming projects out there, because of course it is a high risk investment, and of course high risk investment as well is high earning, high risk investment as well is, of course, it can make you really big amount of money, and of course it can really lose you a lot of money. So that is it, and I see you on the next video.